You guys can probably barely see us. Actually, no, you can see my head. But right now we're outside
In a snowstorm.
in a snowstorm.
And we're trying to survive.
We're inside our tree house. And yeah,
We're trying to stay warm because it's so,
actually ice cold.
and the wind is like crazy.
We'd show you, but we don't want to get the camera wet.
Currently,
Well, we're not using her camera, we're actually using her phone because we didn't want to ruin that camera.
but yeah, I have to go on my because wait, hold on. If I hold up here,
If you just stand back there, you can see you. Like, all right, here, I'll just grab the camera. All right, so wait, is this the iPhone 7? It's waterproof. But I mean, if it gets like 2 pieces of snow, now I don't think it's gonna break. So as you guys can see, we're outside in my snow fort, or tree fort, whatever. That's how bad you can't see.
yeah, we're in this tree fort, and this is the only like inside area we have.
Yeah. So
Um,
we're gonna cut so we can switch to the back, like the outwards camera. So yeah. All right. This is for like editing it out, but
bro, 2015,
Gabby, change it. I can't do it with my big gloves. I'll keep it warm. Okay, we're back. Sorry about that like weird cut.
And Devin's here.
Oh yeah, and Devin
Operation Arctic Storm!
I didn't say it, guys. Ah!
Let's cut it out.
Yeah. All right, Devin, you're our cameraman. Devin, stop. You want this thing to come down?
Yes. With us on it. Look at this is like.
I feel like this camera's gonna be like, look how it looks. Especially when you put it sideways, I think it's gonna be wrong.
It is. Currently, that's might be my merch. We're in here, and that's out there, right? So we threw a Nerf gun
Here,
down.
we'll do it again.
Yeah, throw that's the little Nerf gun we threw down.
All right, watch this. Put it
Operation
over.
Arctic Storm! Ha!
It just gets buried.
It just gets buried. Wait, should we throw Devin down there?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
What?
Get a shovel. We're just making this vlog for you guys. Actually, welcome to the vlog.
Here, take it.
No, I don't know what to do.
Put it in your pocket. Let it record.
Okay, guys, we have to get down because the
Devin,
thing
take
is coming
this.
off. Right here, you see this? I don't want to put this. That's like,
Snow.
yeah. And it's just like a tarp. So,
So let's get out of here.
yeah. Okay. Oh, jeez. That was real scary. Warren will just. No, but seriously, should we throw. Bro, if I just fall, it's not gonna hurt. Oh, my back! Oh, jeez. So I'm gonna jump at like the 6th step. Okay. Alright, I'm walking. I'm gonna go find somewhere where I can stay. Okay, well, Devin's laying in the snow, so I'm coming. Alright, peace.